Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making Rubber Chicken! It's a toy, it's a pet. You can even play swing with it. Look at that. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's go. So let's start with mixing colors. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna keep a bit to eat later. Of course, I'm not gonna eat it because it needs the legs and the arms. Okay, so we have combo chicken thighs from KFC. Oh god, hungry. Okay guys, so we're just done making all the parts. I'm gonna assemble it. Now we're gonna use this ball head tool to make the screaming mouth. The basic shape is done. We're gonna need a bit of water to smoothen it. Now let's make the feet and the crest. By the way, does anybody here eat chicken feet? Sometimes I do, and I like it very much. But people here around me, they don't. At all. Anyway, it's a half of the video already. And this time, I'm trying to make all of my videos as short as possible. Because it's just boring to watch a very long video, right? And now we're gonna glue them all together. And the hardest part is this screaming mouth. We get back to it later. Music! Just kidding. It's just a normal issue with this clay. Sometimes they just dry so fast, and therefore they cannot stick together by themselves. And the cool thing is we can use water to soften them up. Now let's make the eyes for it. Pupils in the room. Now I'm giving it some Kylie Jenner's eyebrows. So it's gonna be young, rich and beautiful. And a tongue too, so he can lick lollipop.
Who? Go, hit, subscribe, now!
Sorry guys, he's not polite, unlike me, but thank you for watching. And if you'd like to see this Pekka video, keep up with me.